Hello students, welcome to the next lesson in our AS Human Geography course. Today we're going to be looking at geothermal energy. What is geothermal energy? Geothermal energy is renewable energy obtained from the heating of water using the Earth's natural heat. The water is heated using hot spots in the Earth. These are the parts of the crust which are much closer to the mantle where the hot magma is, so as a result it's going to be heating up the water which we can get down there at a faster rate. The hot water is heated to steam, which is going to turn a turbine, and we can see this in geothermal plants. This is what a geothermal plant looks like. The water is pumped down to a series of pipes in the ground. This is cold water, and the hot spots that are in the Earth's then crust are going to begin to radiate heat onto these pipes, and this is going to heat up the water. As it does so, the hotter water begins to rise, which forms a convection current, and it's going to travel up the other pipe. As it does so, it's going to go to a steam room where it evaporates into steam, and the steam is going to begin to turn a generator. This generator is then going to be hooked up to a mains generator itself, and that's going to then start to turn and produce electricity. So it's a pretty simple process. We have cold water, it gets heated up after it's been put underground in the pipes, then it rises, forms steam as it evaporates, turns a turbine, which then turns a generator, which then produces electricity. Here are the advantages and disadvantages of producing geothermal energy. The advantages are the same for most renewable energy resources. It's renewable and sustainable, and reduces the dependence on only one resource. Also, it produces no polluting gases, and it has very low running costs. However, disadvantages are that not all areas in the world have hotspots. Iceland are famous for the hotspots which they have, but you don't find many of them in Africa. Hotspots aren't also always near the city. Transporting the electricity may then have to cost a lot of money and won't be as efficient. Also, it requires a lot of water to be used, and you have to build the plant, which is a high initial setup cost. Here are some questions on geothermal energy. As always, answer these on another sheet of paper by pausing the video and then hit play for whenever you're ready to see the answers. Here are the answers. If you did get these right, congratulations. I'd advise you to move on to the next video, which will be on the environmental impacts of energy production. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.